Here is an easy plant-based breakfast recipe made out of real food for tube feeding. Plant-based diets are growing in popularity, and not just for those who eat by mouth. With the option to blend food at home for tube feeding, and with plant-based products like Real Food Blends Mini, it's much easier for those that are fed by feeding tube to have choice back in how they nourish themselves and to stick to their dietary preferences. I'm a registered dietitian and a huge advocate for blended tube feeding. I love creating recipes for different dietary preferences because I truly believe there's not one right way for all of us to eat. We're all unique, and what works for one person might not work for the other. That's why my goal is always to support families in their decisions, and that means coming up with resources that can help them be successful. So I want to share a nutritious plant-based meal that you can easily incorporate into your tube feeding routine. This recipe is full of fun colors and is packed with nutrients and calories. It includes Real Food Blends Mini, which contains consciously chosen ingredients to help with bowel function, so it's a great way to start off your day. If you want to try this recipe, now is the time. They are running a promotion on their plant-based products. Just head over to realfoodblends.com and be sure to ask your healthcare team before making any changes to your diet. Happy blending.